How to make add yours template on Instagram story. Hey guys, welcome back. In this following video, I'll show you how can you make add yours template on your Instagram story. To do it so, make sure that the application is updated to the latest version. Now then, to begin with, open up your Instagram application, log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So here you want to click on your story. After which, what you want to do is you want to make sure to select the background. Now for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna randomly pick any of these. So for now, I'm gonna go with one. After you select the background image, you wanna click on the sticker icon from the top of the screen. Then here you could see this section is add your template. So click that option and then you could see this is how it's gonna look like. After which, what you could do is you could just go ahead and tap on the right and center. And then you could go ahead and dice this up and you could find a lot of options as well. But if you want to customize it, you could also do it, or else you could just go ahead and type in and click the next button. After which, click the continue button and make sure to go ahead and tap on the pin button from the top right. And then click the next icon once again. Now here, you could also go ahead and make sure to add your own text as well. And then once you've done it so, you want to click on your story and then you could go ahead and share it with your friends and family member. So that is the way you could make add yours template in your Instagram story. That is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.